Hello friends, today we are going to calculate the stresses of given trapezoidal dam system. So first of all, we have given the masonry dam of height 6 meter. It means that overall height is given as 6 meter. Next data is base width as a 3.2 meter. It means that our width of the dam as given as 3.2 meter and top width as 1.2 meter. It means that our value for A is given as 1.2 meter. Next data is given as water on vertical face for full height. It means that we have to assume small h as a capital H as a 6 meter as the given data. Now assuming the density of masonry, it means that density del m is given as 18 kilonewton per meter cube and water as a 10 kilonewton per meter cube. It means gamma W is given as 10 kilonewton per meter cube. We have to calculate maximum and minimum pressure at base of the dam as well as stress distribution diagram. So let us go for the calculation first. We have given the density of the material. It means that our weight of dam W can be written as gamma m into h by 2 into a plus b according to the theory part. Hence gamma m is given as 18, overall height is 6 meter, so 6 by 2 into a as a 1.2 and b as a 3.2, which is equal to 237.6 kilonewton as a weight of dam as capital W. It means that our W value is 237.6 kilonewton. Now going ahead for the next calculation, which is water force on vertical face of dam. So total pressure, which is indicated as PW or P, is calculated by the area of pressure distribution diagram, and the base pressure is gamma W into small h, and the total force can be written as gamma W into h square by 2 or 1/2 gamma W into h into small h. Now gamma W is given as 10 kilonewton per meter cube. Small h is overall height as a 6 meter, as the water is stored for the full height. So we have to use small h is equal to capital H. So h square by 2, which is equal to 180 kilonewton. So our P value is 180 kilonewton. Now the weight value, which is cut AB as a J and resultant, which is cutted the AB as a K part. So distance AJ, which is x bar, can be calculated by A square plus B square plus AB divided by 3 A plus B. Now A is given as 1.2, B as given is 3.2, as a B plus A into B, it means 1.2 into 3.2 divided by 3 times A plus B. Hence our value for AJ is 1.176 meter. Now going ahead for the calculation of JK value, which can be calculated by P by W into H by 3. Now P value is 180, W value is 237.6 into small h as a 6 meter by 3. So JK value is 1.515 meter. Hence, the total value from A to K as a small d, which is equal to AJ plus JK. Now AJ value is 1.176 plus JK value is 1.515. Hence, the value for D, which is equal to 2.691 meter. And the eccentricity of the dam section can be calculated by D minus B by 2, which is equal to 2.691 minus 3.2 by 2. Hence, our eccentricity value is 1.091 meter. So, we have to calculate the stress as a maximum and minimum using the eccentricity as a 1.091 meter. Now, going ahead for the calculation of bending stress. Now, maximum stress can be calculated by W by B into 1 plus 6 E by B. Now, W value is 237.6 divided by small b as a 3.2 into 1 plus 6 into eccentricity, which is 1.091 divided by 3.2, and value is 226.138 Newton per mm square. The value is positive, it means it is compressive stress, and minimum value can be calculated by W by B 1 minus 6 E by B. And the value is minus 77.64 in terms of Newton per mm square. It means that the value is in tensile stress according to the negative sign. Now, if we draw the bending stress diagram for the dam section, we have maximum as a 226.138 compressive while 77.64 as a tensile. So, the stress diagram is minimum at point A and maximum at point B. Our diagram for bending stress is 77.64 as a tensile value and 226.138 as a compressive value, and we have to collect this diagram with straight line. So, diagram indicates the stress distribution along the base of trapezoidal dam. Thank you.